Well, hello. Just doing some gardening today. Planting some plants and some flowers in the garden. You gotta push down on the plant and then put dirt around the base of it. Oh, it's hot today. I'm gonna take a little break. Wow, I've been working a lot this morning. Need a break sometimes when you're working in the garden and you get tired. You need to take a break so you don't work too hard and pass out. The heat can sometimes make you sick. So you just need a little break. And come over here and plant some plants. Push down on this plant right here. We're going to move this one over. There we go. Perfect. Put a little dirt on top. We're going to come over here. Walk through the garden. Mom had asked us to put up some new plants and flowers today. So we're going to come over here and we're going to check on this one plant. We've got to put it down in the ground. We've already put a hole there. We're going to push it down and put some dirt on top of it. There we go. That's what we do when we garden. Take breaks. Make sure you drink plenty of water. And take plenty of breaks if you need them. And thank you today for joining us. Let's check on Rudy and the mushroom patch.
Oh, hi everybody. Thanks so much for being here with me today. Oh, I love to come down here and see all the mushrooms out here in the village. It helps me think. Helps me be so safe, and I love it out here. It's so beautiful. Oh, what's this over here? Oh no, it's, whoa, my gosh. Who put that there? Oh no, it's a fire. Fires are very dangerous. You don't want to get too close. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, you should always stay away from fires. They're bad. They're really hot too. Let me go. Oh, what's that over there? Oh, okay. I think what we should do today is let me run and get away from this fire. Why am I not running? There are legs. Okay. Oh, there we go. I'm running. Oh, no, I'm so tired. Oh, what's this over here? A bug? Oh, what's this? Oh, it's in the way. Let's push it. Oh, my gosh. I feel so strong. I love it when it's strong. You should always drink milk. Milk makes you strong. Oh, what's this over? Oh, it's pushback. Oh.
What are we going to do today? The ABCs?
A.
All right.
A is for all kinds of things. B.
What
B
letter's
is
next?
for bugs. I like bugs. C.
What letter's next, Rudy?
What's next? D. D is for ducks.
What letter's next?
F. F is for my favorite.
What letter's next, Rudy?
G. A.
What letter's next?
Let's see. I. I is
What letter's
for
next, Rudy?
igloos. J. J is for Jesus.
What letter's next, Rudy?
K. K is for king. Wait, what's
What
after
letter's
K?
next,
I
Rudy?
forgot. Oh, I.
What letter's next?
Let's see. Guys, help me, P.
What letter's next?
Q. R.
What's next?
S. S. Snake. Oh, I thought I saw a snake. I like
What letter's
bugs.
next, Rudy?
T. Let's see. U. V. V. Valentine's. Oh. What's after V? Oh, V. X? Oh, Y? Oh, and everybody. Z! Yay! I like the alphabet. Oh! Oh, a bug! Oh. Remember on our alphabet R? R is for run, and I'm running. I'm running so fast. Oh, look at me. You guys did really good on your ABCs. Oh, oh, whoa. Oh, home. I love home. Home is where the heart is.